Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 8 lesson 4 working with queries exercise. Fill in the blanks. Question first. Queries are made on dash. Queries are made on table. You fill here table. Here given the hints. And according to hint you fill in the blanks. Question number 2. In a query, the dash property is used to set the condition on the basis of which the records are filtered. You fill criteria. In a query, the criteria property is used to set the condition on the basis of which records are filtered. Means here the condition means criteria. You give the particular criteria to find out a filter a record. Question number 3. We can set multiple criteria in a query using dash property. You fill OR means we can set multiple criteria in a query using OR property. Means either this or this condition true, then show the result. So you can use OR. Question number 4. Dash property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending order. Sort property is used to filter the data in form of ascending, descending, highest to lowest, lowest to highest. Question number 5. The bottom pane of the selected query window display the dash. You fill design grid. Bottom pane of the selected query window display the design grid. Question number 6. A dash is effective way to organize and summarize data in printed form. You fill report. A report is an effective way to organize and summarize data in printed form. State true or false. Question number 1. Queries help us to retrieve information from one or more tables that meet a specific condition. This statement is true because query help to retrieve find out information from one or more table when we will give a specific condition. This statement is true. Question number 2. Query window is divided into 3 parts. False, because query window divided into 2 parts. So this statement is false. Question number 3. To specify multiple criteria or property is used. Yes, true, because you can specify multiple criteria for filter or searching your record. So this statement is true. Question number 4. We cannot run a query without saving it. This statement is false because we cannot run a query. We can run a query without saving. Then statement is true. Here cannot. So this statement is false. Question number 5. The sort property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending order. Yes, true. Sort means sorting property is used to filter data either ascending, descending, largest to highest, highest to lowest, lowest to highest. So this statement is true. Question number 6. Queries are used to explain the specific data. False. Queries are used to explain the specific data. False, because queries are used to explain the specific, not explain. You can retrieve. So this statement is false. Question number 7. Once a relationship set, it cannot be deleted. This statement is false because you can delete it. When your relationship is set, it can be deleted. So here cannot, so this statement is false. Application based questions. Question first. Swati created a database of her classmates and entered 30 records in it. The teacher asked her to show the data of those students who have scored less than 50% marks. Suggest the method to apply this criteria. Means Swati is a student and her teacher asked to show the data of those students who have scored less than 50% marks. So Swati applied criteria. Marks is less than 50%, so their name. Means when Swati applied this criteria, then easy way to find out a number of students who achieve less than 50% marks. Means marks less than 50%, show their name. Means show the name of student. This is the criteria. Question number 2. Johnson & Johnson company has a huge database of employees. The company wants to maintain the privacy of each employee and has given the instruction to computer operator to upload each record one at a time. Which database object should they use to perform this task? Means form database object should they use to perform this task, because form is only a database you can maintain, insert, retrieve data through form one by one. So Johnson & Johnson company employee maintain data through form database object. Multiple choice questions. Question number first. Which query is used to update or change existing data in a set of records? Means here question, which query is used to update or change existing data in a set of record? You have three options: select, update and cross. The correct option is update. Update query is used to update or change data of existing table. Question number 2. How many sections are there in a query window? Option 4, 2, 3. The correct option is B, 2. Because query window have two sections, top section and bottom section. So here correct option is 2. Question number 3. Which option create simple select query? Option query create wizard. Because here you create a query, so use correct option is B, create. Question number 4. What does the top section of a query window display? Answer, here three options: selected table, design grid and both. Question correct option is A, section A, selected table. Question is, what does the top section of query window display? Because query window have two display. So here top section of query window display. What show the top window of a query? Selected table. Answer is A, selected table. Top, because top window show selected table. Question number 5. How many views does Access provide to display a form? How many views does Access provide to display a form? 2, 3, 4. There are three types of view. The correct option is B, 3 option. Because MS Access provide 3 view to display a form: form view, design view and Access view. So you can select correct option 3. Question number 6. Which key define a relationship between two tables? Which key define a relationship between two tables? Primary key, foreign key and secondary key. The correct option is foreign key, because a first table have a unique key, is called primary key, and second table same column name, which is called foreign key. So foreign keys select relationship between two tables. because in first table primary key same column name, and second table foreign key same column name. So between two tables, make relationship, define relationship between two tables with foreign key. Hopefully you understand all contents like equivalence, true false, application based question and multiple choice question. Each and every students write in a copy and learn them. Thank you.